Good morning, bud. Good morning. Bud is checking people out. Hey, bud. It's just after 6 a.m. on day 3. And we at Dosewallips Campground. I love it, but there's too many people. Everyone's still sleeping. Just crows and me. So I'm walking to the front of the campground. It's a pretty good distance. So my husband and I were talking about how we RVing, because this is actually our 4th trip, and it's 8 days. So we made a lot of mistakes, which is perfectly fine. So we get to the campground when we already have reservation way too early. But, so we end up the first day, we went to bed at 8 and I woke up at 5, which is not too bad. But last night, we went to bed early again and I woke up at midnight and then went back to bed here and there. And then Bud and Payne, my cats, were very active. So, anyway, so today is gonna be different. We don't have reservation, so we do have to get there to get the spot as soon as possible. So when I walk back, I'm gonna start making breakfast and then pack, and then when he's up, we'll just get going. We're gonna take a shower today. I know it's a little, something new, something different, but we're having a blast. Everywhere we went is beautiful. Like yesterday, surprisingly, saw a gang of elk. Oh my God, amazing. All right. I'm gonna go take a picture at the front and then that's it. Have a good morning. Bye. I'm walking to a restaurant. The guy that went down to the park yesterday, he said he could see them clearly at the prairie. So he counts 16 of them. So, beautiful. They sure drive fast here. Sometimes people don't understand why I wake up early, and stuff. But look, I'm by myself. I only hear crows singing. I don't know. But it's amazing. It's amazing, Yeah, I don't miss out on anything. I'm walk around. Look how gorgeous this. Okay? Yeah, fresh air, happy. Good morning, Payne. Good morning, Bud. Leftover spaghetti for breakfast. Iced tea. Good morning. So I'm gonna take a shower at the campsite for the first time. We have shower in the Rialta, but it's the type that you have to pull out in the center of the RV, and it's a pain in the boom. So I'm just gonna shower here. We'll see. Oh. So have a toilet. Shower. So we'll see. You don't have to pay anymore. Just ice cold water. And they say to press button for hot water. No token necessary. No, just ice water. So I just dry clean. What you gonna do? I took a shower finally. Oh, it feels so good. Yep, they finally turned hot water on. I think it's just like after 9 a.m. Leaving at 10:12. A lot of campers here. Oh, I found a shortcut to the street this morning. Oh, beautiful. Checking out Seal Rock Campground. Oh, this is nice. Cozy. There's a trail down there. Oh, it's beautiful, babe. Nothing to do. Wow, it's empty. We could have just come here and less people. Oh wow, better. This is really nice, beautiful.
No hookups.
Oh, is that why? Okay. Gorgeous though. We missed out because Seal Rocks is empty. Campground. Oh, but no hookups here. Just water. No electricity. But who cares? We got generator and everything. Gorgeous. Look, and the coast along the way we can park at anywhere. It's empty. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh man. Beautiful, honey. Gorgeous. We stopped here before. No. No. You can get your own salsa and pico de gallo. Pico de gallo. Oh, yum. We ate most of it already, but the pico de gallo here is super yummy. I did. Oh my god. I haven't tried the salsa yet, but this is pico de gallo. I'm gonna go get more. So what is this? Just like
It's a salsa.
oh really? Nice. You got regular taco plate, taco platter, and I got a shrimp taco platter. We can pick any place, any oh. Welcome. 24 a night.
He drives through the car wash every 2 weeks. He checks the tire pressure monthly, and he always
It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Heart of the hills. Payne is happy. Hey Payne. Payne is happy. Rice.
And some sausage.
Rice and sausage. Dinner day 3?